Hi guys, today we'll learn how to fix the download failed error in WhatsApp. This issue usually happens when media files like photos, videos, or documents don't download properly. But don't worry, we'll fix it step by step. First of all, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. Now check your internet connection carefully because WhatsApp downloads depend heavily on stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. If the connection is weak, fix it first. Now open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Sometimes WhatsApp download errors happen because the app is outdated, so we need to make sure it is updated properly. Tap the search bar and type WhatsApp. Once it appears in the results, open the app page. This is where we can check if an update is available. If you see an update option, tap it immediately. Updating WhatsApp fixes many bugs, including download failed errors. After updating, open WhatsApp again and try downloading the file. Finally, restart your phone. This refreshes all system processes and often fixes hidden bugs causing download issues in WhatsApp. So guys, this is how you can fix the download failed error in WhatsApp easily. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Also, comment below if you want solutions to any other app problem.